So can we, how about some use cases? What type of decisions can AI help optimize?
So AI or DI? Sorry.
AI.
Oh gosh. So many use cases. I think the classic AI use cases is churn analysis. And in churn, we're trying to say, here's all this data we have all about our customers who might be like subscribers to your telecommunications service or people who have your SaaS product. How can you use all that data to predict which of your customers you might be at risk of losing, and then have some intervention to try to prevent that? So that's just one example, but there's hundreds. I've been doing these so many, like there's healthcare and finance and manufacturing has so many great examples of where AI has value.
Absolutely. I think decision intelligence and with the augmentation of AI can help in number of use cases. I think as we talked about, DI can support, augment, or automate these decisions. You can take each of those capabilities, have a number of use cases, either it's starting with the product selection all the way to like dynamic pricing, inventory optimization, predictive maintenance, fraud detection, and number of these use cases. Again, I want to take like two use cases to kind of show the value, like a specific value for that. So one of the things is definitely our choice of products are increasing, right? Number of SKUs, whether you go to any retailer or in general, they've been increasing. Complexity and the features of the products are increasing too. So how can customers that are selecting the products, or the people, either salespeople or the channel retailers and others that are recommending these products, make sense of it? Again, we think that's where decision intelligence can help with guided selling or making the right choices about the products, not through searches and things like that, but more being able to answer questions about the products, understand the customer needs better, and then recommend the right products to do it. We have seen this, even though it's not called decision intelligence, more in making choices about entertainment, whether it's YouTube or streaming channels, and do it. But that same can be applied now across the board, not just at a big tech companies or retailers to do it, that every manufacturer, every company can help the customers, can assist the customer as an advisor that's always available, provide the right recommendations, which will result in growth, sales growth, as well as a higher customer conversion for companies. And same can be extended to the support or service side. When you are trying to make decisions about what repair need to be done, what parts are needed, or how to resolve any issue even in a non-product marketplace, you could have, I think a number of companies are using this to provide either support, Q&A, diagnostic, repair recommendations in the same fashion as product advisor. Here, the knowledge could be different, the actions and the recommendations could be different, but the decision intelligence can support the same way and then improve the outcomes in resolution times or productivity of the people in providing these services. Another, I think, similar example in manufacturing too is if we look at the quality of the products. Again, the failures are captured in a number of data sources. It could be the warranty data, support data, inspections, returns, repair orders, IoT in terms of connected products. To make sense of all of this data, I think you need a good decision intelligence. I know even though it's showing a little bit more as an architecture, how do you make sense of it so you can reduce the detection to correction cycle? So there are less defective products, and these are being corrected faster. People know what are the emerging issues are, so they could address them. So again, these are just a few of the examples where decision intelligence can help make sense of this explosion of the data, provide the more relevant and right recommendations so you can take actions associated with that. Todd?